Ever wondered what makes a company truly tick? Not just its products or profits, but the very soul that drives it forward. Today, we're diving deep into the DNA of a tech giant revolutionizing the trades industry, ServiceTitan. We've all heard of company missions and visions, but what about their values? Those are the unspoken rules, the guiding stars that shape a company's culture and actions. So, let's uncover what makes ServiceTitan different. What are the core principles that fuel their innovation and impact? Let's start with their first core value: change lives. This isn't just a catchy slogan. It's a fundamental belief. ServiceTitan isn't merely about building software. It's about empowering the backbone of our economy, tradespeople. By providing them with tools to streamline operations, increase efficiency, and grow their businesses, ServiceTitan is directly impacting the lives of countless individuals and families. It's about helping people achieve financial stability, pursue their passions, and create legacies. The second value is achieve the extraordinary. This is where the ambition meets reality. It's about setting audacious goals and relentlessly pursuing them. ServiceTitan didn't just want to build software. They wanted to create a platform that would redefine an entire industry. This value is evident in their constant innovation, their drive to push boundaries, and their refusal to settle for mediocrity. Lastly, we have Be a Dream Team. This value is the heart of ServiceTitan's culture. It's about fostering a workplace where everyone feels valued, supported, and empowered. It's about building a team of diverse individuals who come together to create something truly special. This value is reflected in their commitment to employee growth, their emphasis on teamwork, and their dedication to creating a positive and inclusive work environment. These three values, change lives, achieve the extraordinary, and be a dream team, aren't just words on a page. They are the lifeblood of ServiceTitan. They guide their decision-making, shape their culture, and ultimately determine their impact on the world. So, the next time you think about ServiceTitan, remember these core values. They are the foundation upon which this tech giant is built, and they are the driving force behind their mission to transform the trades industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.